Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing the budget build on the E36. I'm going to start calling it the budget build now because I have just been buying nothing but really cheap stuff or really used stuff. So I mean, if it works, it works. I'm not complaining. But here's what I got going on today. Oh yeah, finally gonna get my seat in. So I don't exactly have a harness bar yet for the seat. I'm gonna get one. In the meantime, I'm gonna bolt it up at shoulder level. So instead of it being bolted on the bottom, it's gonna be bolted up in the back, probably behind the rear speakers, or right in front of it, I should say. And that way it's still at shoulder level, and for the time being, it'll work. Actually, before I actually get it in the car, just look outside. The forecast, if you live in Oregon or Washington, the forecast has been saying like gnarly snow like all week. And I don't know about you, I'm kind of stoked for it because driving in the snow is pretty fun if you know what you're doing. And also, I've been super addicted to Kingdom Hearts 3 right now, so it gives me plenty of time just to sit at home and play the game. So I'm stoked for that too. So yeah, snow's gonna be awesome. But alright, let's get over to David's shop so we can start putting the seat in right now. Here at David's shop now, I gotta get this out of the car. Also, David got stuff for his Skyline today. What'd you get, David?
Things.
What kind of things?
Steering wheel things, ICE things, suspension thing.
Yeah. Wait, were your coilovers in there?
No.
Oh.
ICE deletes in here.
Oh. Nice. Nice. Oh. Take all this out. Go put it over here, and then start unbolting the seat. More than likely, you're not going to be able to see this very well. But essentially, I'm just taking off the bolts on the BMW, the seat, the OEM seat here, and this is pretty easy to find. I don't think I need to explain that to really anybody. Why is this one really tight? This one's gonna need to put down my camera. Oh my goodness. Let's get the seat up. Alrighty, well, one thing I probably forgot to double check was my rails. So I don't think these ones are gonna work. So David's got his horn working. I'm going to need to figure something out. These won't work. I might have to go down to Home Depot real quick, pick up some metal, and maybe make some, or maybe modify that one out there and put that in, take it off the seat. Your horn works?
Maybe. Maybe. Now it's just, how the fuck do I package it well?
Yee.
Man, go straight, damn you. Damn, she really is fucking installed. Holy shit.
Hey, question for you. Could I take my OEM rails off my seat and use that bucket seat?
I don't think you can.
I mean, if I modified it, you know, like because the rails I have, I'm gonna have to drill a bunch of holes in my car to make it work.
Hooked up and lock the steering wheel. Don't do that, kids.
How's that wheel feel?
So much better than that fucked up one. Gotta find the fucking screw that I dropped.
Alright, I'm going to investigate this a little bit more and figure out what I'm going to do. Well, do not think the seat's going to work.
No.
So if we got a bracket that actually bolted to the side.
Like the seat would have to be bottom mounted, but there is no bottom mounts for this seat. It's all side mount. The only way to get this thing to work is to like offset it towards this transmission funnel, towards the center of the car, but the bracket doesn't let you because the fucking transmission tunnel's in the way. So the bracket needs to be completely cut and modified, or get a different bracket. Because the only way for it to work is for it to be like this, but then it's not coming down, and it's just wiggling. Or be hella far back, in which case that's way too far back.
I won't even be able to reach the pedals.
Yeah. This is where you would be sitting.
Yeah, you can kind of see on the camera here that the shoulder is sticking out.
A lot.
Yeah.
This is like me and my Beamer.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're angled. We're offset to the side quite a fucking lot. I will buy the bride off you for this car.
You just want to trade me your seat?
I don't know.
BMW?
I don't think.
True, we could do that. Never thought about that, but yeah.
I'm keeping my harness though.
You can have your fucking harness. I have sparkles.
Okay, good. Alright, so new plan, as David just said right there, maybe we'll do that, but the brackets originally on the bucket seat weren't fitting correctly because the way it was outwards like this. So now we're going to try it with an inward like this and see if this seat will fit in there.
And if not, looks like David's got a brand new bride seat, and AJ's got a new sparkle.
I'm okay with that. Well, bad news is that this isn't going to get done tonight. So we offsetted the brackets, or I guess we put them on the inside, and then this one wasn't reaching out all the way, so we decided to put this one back how it originally was. So it fits on the right side now, but the bracket, obviously you can tell right here to the OEM spot, it is just a bit short. So I don't have to crack brackets right now for it. I'll have to go home, figure out what brackets I need, and go from there. So all in all, I'm actually pretty bummed about it because I wanted to put this in tonight. I can see it through my windshield. Oh yeah, you can see it through the windshield on the camera too. It looks so cool, and it's super comfortable. Like, I mean, it's a bucket seat. You know, it's not going to be comfortable for hours of driving, but for its like purpose and drifting and stuff, it feels really good. Like, it fits me really well. But that is going to be it for today's video. Hopefully I can get those brackets ASAP, the ones I need. Figure something out ASAP because I really do want to get this in as soon as possible. Just because I have everything, it's all ready to go. I'm just, you know, missing a few things. And then the next thing is coilovers, and it's gonna snow this next week, so I'm not really trying to plan a whole lot of video stuff. Maybe I'll do some snow stuff. Who knows? We'll see until next week. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for everything, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Okay, bye.